Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Form, and today we will discuss what is the tablet coating machine. In this video, we will learn the types of tablet coating machines, components of the tablet coating machines, and working of the tablet coating machines. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button and let's start our video. We have two types of the tablet coating machines in pharmaceutical industries. One are the advanced type of tablet coating machines known as perforated coating pans, and second one are the conventional coating pans. Currently, conventional coating pans are not used. Basically, we are using perforated coating pans, but we will also have a look over the conventional coating pans as well. First of all, we will discuss the components of conventional coating pans. In conventional coating pans, we only have a coating pan, then we have the heater to heat the air, and we have a dust collector system to collect the dust, and we have the spray guns to apply the solution, and then the solution holder. It is a very conventional type of the coating machine which is operated manually. So we will now discuss perforated coating pans. In advanced types of perforated coating pans, we have a perforated coating pan, we have the spray guns, we have the solution transfer pipes, we have peristaltic pump, we have the AHU mean air handling unit, we have inlet air duct and outlet air duct, and then we have the HMI. So what is the perforated coating pan? Perforating coating pans have perforations, mean the pan is perforated. It do not have the solid structure, rather it have the perforated structure, and air passes from these perforations and then make our tablets hot. In conventional type of the coating pans, the walls of the coating pans are solid, they are not perforated, and the source of heat applying and heat removal is the same, mean it has only one opening. But in perforated coating pans, we have perforated coating pans and we supply hot air from one side, it heat up our tablets and then go outside from the second point of the exhaust duct. Next one are the spray guns. Spray guns are basically used to sprinkle the solution over the rotated tablets. And next one are the solution transfer pipes. Solution transfer pipes convey the solution from the solution tank to the spray guns. Next one is the peristaltic pump. Peristaltic pump is basically the pump which drives solution and deliver it to the spray guns for the application over the tablets. Next one is the AHU air handling unit, which make our air hot, and this hot air then make our tablets hot and is used for the evaporation of the solvent. Next one is the inlet air duct. Inlet air duct is used to provide the outside air which is treated by the AHU to the coating pan. And next one is the return duct. After applying heat to the tablets and evaporation of the solvent, the hot air go outside from the return duct or exhaust duct. Next one is the HMI. HMI is the human machine interface from where we can control all the parameters of the tablet coating machines. From here we can increase or decrease the pan speed, we can alter the solution spray application rate, we can change the temperature of inlet air, and we can increase or decrease the exhaust opening. So now what is the working of the tablet coating machine, or how tablet coating machine works? First of all, we load the tablets inside the tablet coating pan, then we apply the heat, and heat come from outside through the inlet duct. We apply our solution which is prepared in the solution tank. Peristaltic pump is used to deliver the solution from the solution container to the spray guns. From the spray guns, the coating solution is applied over the bed of rotated tablets after the atomization. Then the hot air come inside. This results in the evaporation of the solvent, and our solid content is deposited over the tablet surface, and then the air go out from the outlet air duct. This process continue until the required weight gain is achieved. So it is all about the working of the tablet coating machine. I hope you are now familiar with the tablet coating machine. If you want to learn all the tablet coating in detail, the link of video of the tablet coating playlist is given in description. Must watch the playlist. If you like the video, share it to others. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.